Hey, I'm Andy Thompson with Cedar Siding Repair.
And this week we installed these brand new Pella Lifestyle series windows. So the exterior color is called Pella Brown. It's one of the most popular neutral colors that Pella offers in their Lifestyle series line. It's got a wood stained interior. So all the trim around their windows and doors and around their door openings and baseboards, it's all a custom wood stained trim. So when we replaced these windows, we matched that wood stained trim. That way everything is nice and consistent and it blends perfectly. So this is a really nice project. It's got brand new James Hardie siding and trim around all the windows, all new Tyvek underneath of everything, flashing sills under all the windows. So this is a very nice job that these people have decided to purchase from us, and we feel very fortunate to be a part of this with them. So hey, thanks for watching our video, and if you want to contact us, you can reach us anytime at 937-266-0799, or you can stop into our showroom off Com Park Road in Centerville. Hey, thank you so much.